In a written order on July 31st, the Caribbean Court of Justice, Guyana's final appellate court, issued a directive awarding costs to President DrIrfaan Ali and Vice President BharratJagdeo. The sum is to be paid jointly by former Attorney General Basil Williams, the named applicant, Eslyn David, and Joseph Harmon. Prior to the case being escalated to the CCJ, it was before the Court of Appeal, and costs incurred by Ali and Jagdeo at that court were also granted by the CCJ. David, an agent of the APNU-AFC coalition, had approached the court seeking to block the chief elections officer from presenting his final elections report reflecting the certified votes from a national vote recount or obeying the chairperson of GCOM. Those certified results showed that the PPP won the March 2nd general and regional elections by a handsome margin of 15,000 votes. However, the appeal court denied the request and attempted, what would later be described by the CCJ as unlawful, to interpret more votes cast to mean more valid votes are cast. The matter was then appealed by Ali and Jagdeo to the CCJ, and the Court of Appeal's decision was overturned. The costs awarded by the CCJ are to be paid unless there is an agreement between the parties not to do so. But according to the newly appointed Attorney General Anil Nandlall, an agreement is unlikely. Nandlall was one of the attorneys who represented Jagdeo and Ali in the case. Nandlall explained that the costs for two counsel will require an elaborate bill of costs to be submitted to the court, which would include all of the expenses associated with the two appeals. The cost will cover things such as stationery, photocopies, filing fees, preparation of pleadings, preparation of written submissions, preparations for oral arguments, and appearances in court. Nandlall revealed that the photocopying cost alone for one of the two appeals was approximately 500,000 Guyana dollars. Nandlall said, and I quote, "The charge-out rate for one counsel approximates to several hundred US$ per hour. In short, several millions of dollars will have to be paid in cost by those against whom orders are directed." End of quote. The PPP had maintained during several legal battles during the prolonged electoral process that the APNU plus AFC was abusing the courts by bringing cases which were frivolous in nature and had no chance of success. Bibi Katun reporting for the newsroom.